In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a weekly planner in Notion. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page. Give it a clear name like Weekly Planner. Open the page menu and toggle full width so you have more room to work. Add a cover image using Add Cover to give the page a polished visual header that makes the planner easier to spot at a glance. Now let's build the backbone. A master database called Weekly Tasks. Type /table or /calendar to add a database. Then rename it Weekly Tasks. If you start with a table, it's easy to set up properties and you can always add a calendar view later for a weekly overview. Add the key properties you'll need. Create a date property to schedule each task. Add a checkbox or use a status property to mark items as done. Add a select property named Priority with options high, medium, and low. Finally, add a select property named Tags to capture categories or link tasks. Conceptually to projects, keep property names consistent so filters and groupings stay clean. Next, set up your weekly views. On the planner page, create a linked view of the Weekly Tasks database and name it Monday. Add a filter so it only shows tasks where the date falls on Monday. Duplicate this linked view for each remaining day Tuesday through Sunday, changing the filter for each. This gives you simple, focused views for every day of the week. If you prefer a drag and drop layout, switch one of the views to board and group by the day of the week or by status. Board views make it easy to move tasks across days or update progress without opening each item. Let's add helpful functionality. Create a formula property that reads the date and returns the day name. With that in place, you can sort or group tasks by day automatically, even in views that aren't filtered. For quick entry, use the New button at the top of the database to create a new task button. Configure its defaults like setting today's date or a standard priority. So adding tasks takes just one click. Finally, add a weekly review section at the bottom of your page. Use it to reflect on what you completed, what's pending, and what should roll into next week. This small ritual keeps your planner actionable and your priorities clear. And that's your Notion Weekly Planner. A clean master database, focused daily views, optional board style management, and built fade and review. It's simple to maintain and flexible as your week evolves. Thanks for watching.